Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing app. And in today's video, I will show you now how to extract or remove audio file and export your audio file from a video in CapCut video editing app. Let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and import the video clip into the CapCut. Go ahead and click on new video right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you select the video. So I'm going to select this video right here. Having selected the video, click on add, just like so. Let's play the video. Now you can start talking and it's going to, you can see it started recording. Just like so. So how can we extract audio from this particular video, and at the same time we can delete it after extracting, or better still, we can export it as audio file from CapCut? How do we do that? So first thing first, go ahead and select the video clip in the timeline. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and swipe this way. Continue to swipe until you get to extract audio right here. So go ahead and click on extract audio. Just like so, we have the audio file in a separate layer with the video right here. Now let's play it. Now you can start talking. Just like so. Now we can decide to delete the video file and export the audio file, or better still, we can delete the audio file and replace the audio file in the video. So if you want to delete the audio file, select the audio in the timeline, click on delete. Now let's play the video. The video becomes silent. However, we can return it back. Now we have our audio back. We can decide to delete the video in the timeline, select the video clip right here, hit on delete. Now we have only audio. Let's play it. Now you can start talking. Just like so. Lastly, we can export this particular audio and it gives us MP3 audio file. So for that, what we want to do here is to go ahead and click on here to do our export settings before we eventually click on export tab. So here we go. We have our resolution, we have our frame rate, then we can decide to increase the bitrate right here. So I'm going to make the bitrate to be 50 right here. So I will just drag and just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and hit on export tab right here. So I will click on export tab, allow everything to export successfully. Just like so. Now let's play the audio. Now you can start talking and it's going to, you can see it started. So go ahead and click on done right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how best to use CapCut video editing app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.